Texas, the River Oaks District, a name that speaks to elegance, tradition, and home care that goes the extra mile. At Red Bear Care, we understand that every person's story is unique, and so is the support they deserve. Our home care in the River Oaks District is built around one simple belief: personalized care should feel like family. From help with daily routines to more advanced needs, we're here with the kind of thoughtful, respectful support that allows your loved one to thrive where they feel most comfortable, at home. Whether you're seeking 24-hour home care in the River Oaks District or just a few hours of reliable support each week, our team brings professionalism and heart to every visit. We offer personal care services, mobility assistance, and home care assistance in the River Oaks District, all tailored to match your loved one's pace, preferences, and personality. For those living with memory challenges, our dementia home care in the River Oaks District provides the structure and support needed for peace of mind. We also offer trusted companion care at home, helping reduce isolation and bringing joy to everyday moments through shared conversation, meals, or hobbies. Red Bear Care is proud to serve those who've served us. Our Veterans Home Care in the River Oaks District honors the service and dignity of every veteran by providing compassionate professional care designed to meet both medical and emotional needs. We also understand how important staying active and connected is. That's why we offer transportation services in the River Oaks District, helping seniors get to appointments, social outings, and errands with ease and confidence. Texas, the River Oaks District deserves a higher standard of care. At Red Bear Care, we deliver it every day. Reach out today to learn more.